Hello everyone, for today's video we are going to have a recap of our discussion about the empirical formula, or what we call molecular formula of a certain element. For this time, we have one questions here. How many moles are there in 16 grams of oxygen? So to answer this part, we need to have the molar mass of a certain element, or what we call this one a atomic mass, since it is an oxygen given there in in the problem. So we need an atomic mass. So we all know that the atomic mass of the oxygen is 15.99 gram per mole. That means there are 15.99 grams in 1 mole of oxygen. So that is how it works. Now, how to convert the grams to moles? Since we have mole in 1 gram, there in 15.99 gram per mole, there are 15.99 grams in 1 mole. So actually, we can convert this by having this solution. First, you need to write first the given. We have the 16 grams of oxygen, and we have 15.99 gram of atomic mass. So we're going to put here 16 gram, and since it's per mole, so we're going to put the 15.99 gram per mole in this side. But always think of it, what are you looking for and what should be cancelled out? Since here we're looking for a mole, so we need to cancel out the grams. So we put here the 15.99 grams, and the per and has 1 mole. So the grams will be cancelled out. So we have 16 divided by 15.99. And I think that is very easy. You just need to divide it. Or you can do it 16 times 1 divide 15.99. So that will be a 1.00, and or you can put it 1 because you can actually the answer is 1.006253, and we can actually the term is we can round off, so that's 001, and the unit will be mole. So that means in your 16 grams of oxygen you have a 1.001 mole, and that is how it works. Okay, let's have another problem. Okay, I'm going to erase this one first, and let's have another problem. Okay. To erase this. Okay. Now let's have another problem. What if we are going to solve for finding the grams instead of finding the moles? Just very easy. It's just go direct to it. So in that case, we can edit the questions here. Actually, I can edit the question. No, sorry, that's a wrong move. What if the question is, what is the mass of shall we say 124 moles of carbon? Okay, in this question we need, again, what happened? We need a I forget the stuff. Okay. Okay, in these questions, we need to find the mass of a certain carbon. But how to find the mass of a certain carbon? So, what we're going to do now is to solve it. What happened? What? I don't know what happened. What happened? It was removed.